You're watching Good Morning Wyoming.
Welcome back and good morning, everyone. Joining us right now is Jason Laird from Rising Lotus Wellness Center, and he's here today with a program that can detect imbalances in your body. And I'm really curious about this program.
Yes, it's very cool. We've been talking about treating allergies, and we've had such tremendous success. And if people go to our website, they can actually see some testimonials of people and some things like that. But this new program actually has a little hand scanner that you put your hand on, and it can detect all kinds of different imbalances, whether it's food. We can even detect certain things in your spine that might be out of balance, but also airborne things. So I brought this in, because you said you were kind of curious to see what you might be.
Yes, and I'm going to be your test subject of the day.
Correct.
Yes.
And so what's really great with this program is in just a few minutes we can actually just scan different scans on your body to find out what that is, and we can actually treat those. And 90% of the time we can eliminate whatever the imbalance is in one treatment.
Wow.
So it's pretty neat. So we'll just kind of get started here, and we'll test a couple of different things. But if we turn the computer around, you can see that it has a human body, and so we already set it up for Talia here. But we're going to, if you just put your hand on the scanner, I'm going to move around here just a hair. And
like this?
yes.
Okay.
So we'll just do a quick scan on maybe some hormones. How about that? Well, actually, we'll do the dental testing because that's right there. So
sounds good to me.
Yeah, it's really great. And so what we're going to do here is start the scan. And so you'll see, I don't know if the camera's able to pick it up, but it's starting to scan the body to see maybe what imbalances in the teeth can come up. Mm-hmm. But there's all kinds of scan. There's environmental, there's chemicals. In fact, I had one woman we scanned, and everything was fairly imbalanced, except that she was sensitive to crude oil. So she must have been exposed at some point to crude oil, because her balance of most things was, plus or minus 25. Mm-hmm. This was minus 387, I believe it was.
Oh, wow.
So we just treated her for the crude oil, and we've been doing this for all kinds of different things, and people are noticing big differences.
So can you detect more than one thing in one treatment?
Yes, we can. And in fact, what happens is it shows you all the different lists. In fact, this is still going. But you can do this on little children, mm-hmm. like even babies, because you can put it on their belly. As long as there's a contact point, it can scan the body. So there's different scans. There's foods. Like I said, there's airborne. There's your teeth, which is really cool because there's a lot of people that have come in and they have some sort of tooth problem and they're just not sure quite what it is. Mm-hmm. And they may have a sensitivity to some of the amalgam even. And so we can do some treatments for that.
That's really interesting. Instead of going to a dentist, they can just come to you.
Well, they definitely need to go to the dentist, but this may be able to help pinpoint, because I had one patient that their dentist said, there's nothing medically that I can find, and this we actually found something. So then the dentist can actually do something about it as well. Excellent. But it's really great for little kids because it's non-invasive. We don't even use needles. In fact, when the scan's done, all right, so we found out that, oh, that's interesting, it's thallium. So you must have some connection with that. Thallium is a chemical element in the periodic table that is the symbol for the atomic S1. So there's different chemicals that you can be allergic to even in your teeth.
So I'm allergic to thallium?
You may have a sensitivity to it, yeah. What's really cool is it can, we've had people that their pollen count, that there's certain pollens that they're allergic to. Mm-hmm. It's really great because, whatever the body is out of balance, we can find it, even on a subatomic level.
Excellent.
So it's really neat. So we can run one more scan maybe.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, we'll just do...
Let's do the hormone one.
We'll do the hormone one.
Yeah. So what kind of thing can you find from that?
Well, you can find out which hormones... here's neurotransmitters too. So we're going to run the scan on hormones and find out which hormone may be out of balance. So some people that have been doing hormone therapy, we've definitely noticed that when they do the testing and treatment for the hormone, they may be out of balance. They need less dosage even of their hormone that they need. And a few people have actually noticed that they don't need that hormone once they go and do the testing with their doctor again.
Oh, that's really interesting.
So that's very cool. So it tests all of the hormones in the body. Mm-hmm. And it's a little bit hard to see on the screen, but it scans the entire body through your hand. But I also can detect which acupuncture points may be out of balance. Mm-hmm. So people who are coming in for acupuncture, I can do this testing. And then this device here stimulates the back. We did this before. So it kind of feels a little bit like a massage. But what's happening there is we do that a few times down the spine. Mm-hmm. At one time, all of your organs are increased in their energy level, mm-hmm. and then it reverses the signal. And so what happens then is your body accepts that signal as harmless. So whether it's cats or pollen or whatever.
Very interesting. Well, thank you so much for that
You're very welcome.
comprehensive overview. You always have wonderful things going
Sure.
on. And if you would like to visit the Wellness Center, feel free to contact them at risinglotus.net or call 577-6333. Once again, that number is 577-6333. Stay with us. We'll be right back with a final look at weather.